Hey, Tim.
John.
We are going to talk about the 10 Commandments together.
Yes, we are.
Which actually sounds a little boring.
Yeah, you're not alone in that feeling. Studying a list of 10 anything sounds kind of boring.
Yeah.
What is so fascinating is that for most of human history, these weren't even called the 10 Commandments. In the Hebrew Bible, they're called the 10 words.
When you talk about them as commands, it's easy to think about them as just a checklist.
Yeah. But the 10 words actually have immense wisdom about the will and purpose of God for a human life.
Okay. The 10 words.
The 10 words.
Okay, so every week we're going to be sharing resources to help you and your community discover the wisdom behind the 10 words. We're going to do this on the podcast. We got 11 new videos and many more resources. You can find them all on our website, our app, on the YouVersion Bible app, and on our social media channels.
Yes, John, you and I learned so much as we discussed the 10 words. It's really surprised us. And so we want to invite all of you to join us on this journey of discovering how much wisdom there is in the 10 words and how they open up a whole new way to be human together.